Well, a little project kind of turned to a little bit bigger of a project. We started excavating for the patio here over by the steps, got down to the recommended depths. We're gonna put some gravel in here, compact it, put some fabric down, put some sand, and then we'll put the pavers in that area right there. And then outside of the area, it's turning into kind of we've got a bunch of flowers over here. We're gonna put in here some nice 3/4 inch cleat wash stone, some fabric, nice edges that goes all the way down, connects with that rock there. Wasn't originally in plans, but it just kind of makes the whole project come together. And during the process of excavating, we were talking, and I was kind of contemplating what I was going to do with this downspout that comes down off the roof right here and right there before it just kind of went out on the lawn. And we came down to decide that it might be just best to bury a 4-inch pipe for this downspout. We have nice natural slope all the way out to the woods over there, and in that case the project turned into something a little bit bigger. So started digging and trenching for 4-inch PVC to go all the way out to the woods for a downspout, which got me to thinking as well, while we're getting into this, we have another downspout over there by the service door of the attached garage. And I always struggle with that one with water and getting it's kind of in the way. So I got to thinking, is like, well, maybe I could tie the two downspouts together in a pipe over here. So I made sure to plan as I'm working through this that I can someday cut a line in the lawn and connect that downspout into a buried downspout over here. Now, I'm an engineer by trade. I've got a laser level, and I was able to survey the ground on the proposed route of the downspout, the line, the 4-inch PVC that's going to be in the ground, and I came up with a proposed grade as far as where the trench needs to be dug down to make sure that we have at least 1% slope on the whole 4% or 4-inch line for the downspout that's buried. So we want to make sure that everything is flowing downhill. There are no dips or valleys in the actual pipe that's going to be buried. So I used my laser level, started trenching, still have some more digging to go, but that'll allow us to make sure that we have the proper slope on the 4-inch pipe, and we'll have no issues with flow. Well, I think that's going to be it for this video. The next video, we're going to continue trenching for the drain tile and the downspout pipe, and then we'll jump into placing the drain tile and downspout pipe, and then start placing the gravel for the paving area and sand, and we'll see where the videos kind of break up as we go. But this is going to be kind of a long series anyways, so we can kind of break up the videos as we go, break up the work into different videos. So till that one comes out, check out this video that YouTube thinks that you're going to like, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.